Imagine a place so small on the map that most people have never even noticed it. No famous cities, no giant landmarks, just a narrow stretch of water between two pieces of land. And yet, every single day, something incredibly important happens there. Massive ships, some longer than 3 football fields, slowly move through this narrow passage. Inside them is one of the most valuable resources on Earth. Oil that fuels cars in the United States. Oil that powers factories in Asia. Oil that keeps entire economies running. In fact, nearly 20% of the world's oil supply travels through this one narrow waterway. That means 1 out of every 5 barrels of oil used around the world passes through a single location. And if this small passage were ever disrupted, even for a short time, the effects could ripple across the entire global economy. Gas prices could rise, shipping companies could panic, and suddenly the entire world would be watching this tiny location. This place is called the Strait of Hormuz, and today we are going to explore why this narrow waterway has become one of the most important routes in the entire global economy. Where is the Strait of Hormuz? The Strait of Hormuz is located in the Middle East. It sits between Iran to the north and Oman to the south. This narrow waterway connects the Persian Gulf to the Gulf of Oman, which then leads to the Arabian Sea and the wider Indian Ocean. In simple terms, it acts like a doorway. Inside the Persian Gulf are some of the largest oil-producing countries in the world. But if those countries want to export their oil to the rest of the planet, ships must first pass through this narrow exit. That exit is the Strait of Hormuz. How narrow is it? One of the most surprising things about the Strait of Hormuz is how narrow it actually is. At its narrowest point, the entire strait is only about 33 kilometers wide. But ships do not even use the full width. Instead, they travel through designated shipping lanes that are only about 2 miles wide in each direction. This means that some of the largest ships in the world must carefully navigate a very limited path. Why it matters to the world. The reason this waterway is so important comes down to one thing: energy. Every day, millions of barrels of oil leave the Persian Gulf. A huge portion of that oil travels through the Strait of Hormuz. Experts estimate that roughly 1/5 of the world's oil supply passes through this route. That makes it one of the most important energy corridors on Earth. The countries that send oil. Several of the world's largest oil exporters are located inside the Persian Gulf. Countries such as Saudi Arabia, Iraq, Kuwait, the United Arab Emirates, and Qatar produce massive amounts of energy. For these nations, shipping oil across the ocean is the main way to sell it to the world, and most of those ships must pass through the Strait of Hormuz. The countries that depend on it. The oil moving through this narrow waterway does not stay in one region. It travels across the globe. Major economies like the United States, China, India, Japan, and South Korea import energy that originally passed through this route. That means even countries thousands of miles away are connected to this small passage of water. The global choke point. Experts often describe the Strait of Hormuz as a choke point. A choke point is a narrow route that many ships must pass through because there are few alternatives. Think of it like a busy highway that suddenly narrows into a single lane. Everything slows down. Everything depends on that one location. That is exactly how the Strait of Hormuz functions in the global oil network. Most people will never visit the Strait of Hormuz. Many may never even see it on a map. Yet this narrow passage quietly plays a massive role in the modern world. It connects oil producers to global markets. It supports international trade. And it helps power the industries and transportation systems we rely on every day. Sometimes the most important places on Earth are not the biggest. Sometimes they are the smallest points on the map that keep the entire system moving. And few places demonstrate that better than the Strait of Hormuz.